Fly, fly, fly. Scoochie, huh? Woo. I drink till I'm drunk, smoke till I'm high. Castle on the hill, wake up in the sky. You can't tell me I ain't fly. I know I'm super fly. I know I'm super fly.
Alright, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another wig install for you guys. So this is what the wig looks like. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try it on. This is a full lace wig, and I'll have all the company's information linked down in the description box. This isn't a full lace wig, my bad. This is a lace front wig from what it looks like. Alright. Hold on now. Here's one ear and here's my other ear. Alright, and this is how the wig looks on. I hate this length. This is a 20-inch, and I just feel like it looks so awkward. So I'm going to go ahead and cut off my ear tabs. Cut off the ear tabs on this side. Cut off. So if you guys don't know this already, I've said it a dozen times, but if you're new to my channel, this is for basically the newcomers. I like to part my hair in the middle, or as close to the middle as I think I am. I like to part it in the middle, and basically that is like my guideline to when I'm applying the wig back on. Alright. Alright. So this is basically where the wig lines up, right here, and to, where are you? Right here on me. So it lines up pretty well. I'm gonna do some, what can I put that's gonna wipe off? I'm using my Laura Mercier powder because I know it'll be able to just dust off. And I'm going to be marking with powder basically the areas that lace does not need to go beyond. Well, not lace, but lace glue. I'm going to be taking the glue, and I got it in this clear bottle, but this is just Ultra Hold, and this is the clear glue. I'm going to be taking this glue. I haven't used this glue in a while, so I hope I still work it well. But I'm going to be taking it, and I'm just going along my hairline with it. So this glue is a lot different, and it definitely takes a lot longer to dry. This glue is probably going to take about 3 minutes to dry, and then I'm going to do a second coat and then wait another 3 minutes. So I'm going to come back when it's ready to get applied on. I'm going to go ahead and start off putting down my lace. I'm gonna put the mirror closer so I can get a good look. And basically, it's been 3 minutes. Let's see if I still got it. Let's see if I still got it. It's been a while since I used this glue on a full install. It's been a real while. It's sticky, y'all. It's sticky. Perfect. Now I'm just gonna let the tips of the hair dry. Alright, so it's all pretty glued. Everything is glued pretty nicely. I haven't used this glue in a long time, so I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair to this side. Is this the side that I use when I do my parts, or is it this side? I can't remember. I think it's this side though. Or is it this side? Hold on. I think it's this side. Cause it's gonna be a curly bob. So for right now, I like how it's looking. I'm just parting it with my comb and kind of doing like an upward position, just like this. That's one part. Here's another part. I'm going to be waxing this, and this, as well as waxing this side of my hair in an falling position. So yeah. So now I'm going to take these tweezers and just pluck. And I'm also going to take my tweezers and pluck along my part. I'm plucking the upper part of my part. Alright y'all, so I'm going to be taking mousse and I'm going to be moussing the top of my head and the bottom. And this is the olive oil from the lotion that I'm using. My next one right here. See how it's kind of like high? I want it to stay like that, but I want it to also stay in the high form. I want it all to, you know what I'm saying? Alright, y'all, so this is what it looks like now. You know what I'm saying? Little bob action right now. I need this bag because this is the bag that I'm storing all the trash in. I don't want my room to get messy. So now I'm going to be cutting my bob, cutting my hair into the bob. My camera actually died, so I'm a little pushback, but it's all good. So I'm gonna split the hair in the middle, and I'm actually going to be cutting it because it is curly. I don't want it to be too short and get wet, so I'm gonna cut it to like right here, and I'm just gonna straight across cut it. And you know, it's always the people, little ones in the back, like, you forgot about me. So boom, it's cut. Now I'm gonna turn to the side. What's this? Dora said cut this way, so I'm gonna cut this way. Shout out to Dora. Free game on live.
I should have. Damn, let me see if that knocks it.
It's gone, boo. It's gone. Oh, should I leave it like this? Nah, it's too long on this side. So now I'm going to be taking my spray bottle, y'all. This bottle got beat up. My curling iron got the best of it. So yeah, that's why I look like this. And I'm just going to be misting my hair. I know y'all gonna ask, you can get this spray bottle at Sally's. I'm going to be I love this mister because it doesn't like over drench your hair unless you make it. But I don't want my hair to be over drenched. I'm really just wetting the ends that I've chopped off. We're young. We should be out on Halloween. But instead, we're here filming. Actually, our life is on the right path. So for all the information on this hair and the company, I'll have all the information listed in the description box. And I'll also have it written on the screen so y'all can see. Now I'm going to be taking, I already told you guys about this, but it's the noodle head. I'm going to be taking that. I'm going to be taking the noodle head, kick up your curls, and I'm just going to run it through my curls, run it through my hair curls. Ooh. Got on my lips, that's alright. Curly bob on me, baby. I feel like a little kid.
Why?
Cause my bob.
No.
No. I'm recording. I'm not passing you anything.
Okay, so let me just get myself.
No, you're gonna be in my shot.
Okay. Oh,
Just
okay.
wait. I'm almost done.
I didn't know you was doing a shot. Like this is my
I'm
first
filming.
time. I've never seen this type of stuff before.
Alright. So I'm taking some mousse and I'm just moussing up the top of my head again. How it was before. And I'm also gonna take some mousse. God damn. I'm also gonna take some mousse and like slick this part down and sort of, you know. Alright, y'all. So this
You don't
is
have like
the final look. Alright, y'all. What y'all think?
after you love.
Still well. Still well. No. Alright, y'all. So this is the ending tutorial of my curly bob. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was super helpful for you. All the descriptions and all the information will be right here, and it'll also be in the description box below, so be sure to check that out and let me know what you guys think. But so far the hair is real soft. I'm feeling it from when I washed it. It remains soft. So let's see how it plays out for the next few days. Bye. Oh, and be sure to follow me on Instagram and also follow me on Snapchat at Charlene Forever. Bye.